Welcome to Standard 5 Grammar Session. Today we are going to learn question tags. In the question tag, isn't it, hasn't he, can't he, etc. are question tags. A question tag is a short question added onto a statement in speech. A question tag is a small question at the end of a statement. Question tags are used when asking for agreement or confirmation. A positive statement, and this is a negative question tag. A negative statement, you write a positive question tag. For example, you are a student, aren't you? At last, you put mark a question mark. A negative statement, Mary isn't a teacher. A positive question tag is she? Tag question's basic structure. Positive statement, negative tag. Negative statement, positive tag. A negative question tag is used for a positive statement. A positive question tag is used after a negative statement. The pattern is auxiliary plus not plus pronoun after a positive statement. Auxiliary plus pronoun after a negative statement. In the simple present and simple past, we use do, does, did, except when the verb is be. The ordinary verb am, is, are, was, were is used in the tag like an auxiliary. These are some question tags. When the tag is spoken, the voice can go down or up. If your voice goes down, you are not really asking a question. You want to check that the listener agrees with you, or to check that what you say is true. If your voice goes up, you are asking a real question. You want to know something and are not sure of the answer. Here are some positive tags and negative tags. We use question tags at the end of the statement to ask for confirmation. They mean something like all right or do you agree. The structure of you already know what is the structure. Now just I recall this. A positive statement plus negative question tag. A negative statement plus positive question tag. For example, you are a technician, aren't you? You are not a technician, are you? Let's see some exceptions. If the sentence is in let's, you can write shall we. Let's sunbath today. Shall we? After a suggestion with let's, we use shall we. We use shall we. Let's take a taxi. Shall we? You have to use a question tag shall we. Then I am, aren't I? I am getting red, aren't I? Then after I am, the tag is aren't I. For example, I am taller than you. So aren't I? Imperative, will, would, could, you. Pass me the salt, will you? After an order or request with an imperative, we use can you or could you. Wait a minute. Can you close the door? Could you? Then another one, after don't. After Don't, the tag is will you. Don't talk loud. Will you. After the don't, the tag is will you. There is or there are or there was or there were. After there is, there are, there was, there were, we use there in the tag. There is a church at the crossroad. Isn't there? There are some people outside. Aren't there? So, negative words no, never, hardly, nobody, little, which stand for a negative verb, need a positive tag. He never comes. He never comes. So, you can use does he. There is no reason for leaving now. After there, you can use the tag there. Is there. The auxiliary is. The tag is there. So thanks for listening. Thank you, children.